Welcome to the Lenovo booth at ISE 2026. My name is Sean Langley, and here we're looking at the ThinkSmart Core Gen 2, and we're going to check out one of its amazing features that's integrated BYOM. Following on from the very successful ThinkSmart Core Gen 1, last year we released the Gen 2 version. Big upgrades in terms of performance. We've gone to a 14th gen Meteor Lake chipset, and that's available in two options: Ultra 5 16 gig or Ultra 7 32 gig for super intensive applications, large installations and stuff like that. ThinkSmart Core Gen 2 is a purpose-built compute, and this is the first compute with integrated BYOM, that's bring your own meeting. That allows users to walk into a meeting room with their laptop, plug in a single USB-C cable, and then they accept the on-screen prompt, and then the device will enter bring your own meeting mode. That allows the user on the laptop to leverage the cameras, microphones and speakers that are connected to the ThinkSmart Core Gen 2 compute in the room, and then of course they can drive calls on platforms like Zoom, Google Meet and any other platform that they see necessary. This is all available in ThinkSmart Core Gen 2. And on top of that, it comes with integrated mounting brackets. It's got dual HDMI outputs. It's available for Microsoft Teams rooms and Zoom rooms. And of course, for more information about ThinkSmart Core Gen 2, check out Lenovo.com.